Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Olivelands Elementary School in Santa Paula, California, home of the Eagles, right? We're here in their multi-purpose room, the cafeteria, where we had the assemblies this morning for all the grades, TK through 4. And the main focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And the reason I'm in front of this wall right here is because this is what they really try to pride themselves on. This is the guidelines for success. And the top one right here says, I will respect myself and others. I also have some character pillars. On the right here, it says anti-bullying, it says responsibility, it says respect. But that really tied into what the message was for today, which was all about diversity, appreciation of our differences on the outside and the inside of somebody, but also that we really tried to focus on the need for human kindness, right? Like it says on my shirt, need human kindness. The peace sign is inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. But there's also two people, because we have to show kindness not just to ourselves, but to others as well. And it's so important that we show this kindness, because if we say something kind, do something kind, it may not just be directed at that person. It could be anyone else who's in earshot or eyesight of that kind action or word. It might positively affect their heart too, right? So we really never know like the true impact of our actions, which is why we always have to lead with the hearts. And so part of that too was to say, hey, how do we want to focus ourselves and our behavior going forward for this school year and beyond? And it starts with thinking about our hearts. How do we want to be remembered, right? Because people that we want to remember are people who are doing the right thing, right? Even when it's not easy to do, they're still choosing respect. They're still choosing compassion. They're still choosing to accept. They're still choosing to include and show empathy. Respect their self and others, right? And we also tied that into the underlying focus of showing unconditional love without any conditions, right? That even if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, speak a different language, eat different foods, wear different clothes, whatever it is that we think might separate us, we can actually think that that's a way to unify us, right? And diversity, there's so many differences, and that's what makes this school and so many schools like this beautiful, right? It brings life to everyone around us, all the students that are unique and special and have different talents and abilities and skill sets. If we were all the same, it'd be very boring, right? So that life that is brought to all of us around us, if we can open our hearts, open that love to see past maybe what we think is a difference that could separate us, but look past that to see someone for who they truly are, that could turn out to be an amazing friend, right? Sometimes our closed hearts shield us from meeting amazing friends and new friends. But I know here, just from the feedback I got from some of the staff members and some of the students that came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, you touched my heart, that they are here and already making a difference at a young age, and that they already know that they can and will hopefully continue to change hearts forever by how they choose to treat themselves, by how they choose to treat the people around them. So it was such an honor to be here today. Through the different inspirational videos that I played, some of the motivational music, some of the heartfelt stories, something struck a heart chord in everybody. There were some pin drop moments too, where the students really got the message and they took it deeper, and they're going to continue to take that message out and live that message throughout this school year by how they treat themselves, by how they treat others, and showing that human kindness. Thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, have a great school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.